Hello guys and welcome. We have a new week and a new chance to get rich. And if you ask me what is the way out of the 9 to 5 and struggle a lot, I don't know it as well. I try with small amounts invested into stocks and ETFs to get out of the 9 to 5 and maybe one day get pretty wealthy and be safe and don't have to work from Monday to Friday, from the morning to the evening. So with my investment portfolio of around 22,400, I would do another transfer to invest my money. And it's hard. You have every month just your salary, which you can use to invest. And you can see right now, we have a couple of new features in Interactive Broker. They use as well crypto, which is insane. And we can see how far crypto is going. And I still think this is as well some type of future that we have to invest our money in. And for this month, as the market is bleeding and my stock portfolio as well, I will invest around 1,150 into my ETFs and stocks, and you will see with the next time loop which stocks I choose. So as you can see, my portfolio went a little bit more down. We are at 22,221 and just on the day it is around $60 in loss, and my unrealized profits are going down as well. In exactly this time, I buy heavily. This is where I risk everything, because without risking, you don't have a chance to get out. I don't know about you, but what will happen if you have 1 million, 2 million, 3 million or even more in your account when you are 50 or 60? You can't enjoy the money. You don't have the same interest that you have right now. Traveling is maybe not your number one priority, and at the end it is your choice. But I try to get rich fast. I don't want to wait a couple of decades to get rich. And if everything is not working well, I still have here, as I show you, my investments, my portfolio, my ETFs and stocks, maybe a couple of crypto, which will outperform the market over time. And these are my biggest loss, as you can see right now. And one of my biggest position is Amazon, and it's as well down. I have my money on my broker, and now I can choose a couple of investments that I want to do. But first, let us change my money into USD. And as we can see, the dollar is losing in value against the Swiss francs and other currencies. I can get even more with my money, but selling in times that we have right now, it is maybe not the best decision that you could do. So let us change around 1,150 and invest our money into a couple of stocks. If the market is bleeding, I buy heavily on single stocks and risk the most. Don't forget guys, you have as well advantages if you start to invest, because these are the times in which you can take the biggest risk. I wouldn't do things like this if I have a couple of million on my broker. I would use a little bit of money to invest, but right now I wanna do risky stuff. Is it equal to outperform the market? I don't know, but at least I tried. And the best thing about changing the currency is you will have it immediately on your account. For that I have just refreshed the page, and you see I have almost 1,460 USD on my account, which I can use to invest. As you can see, my money is on my broker and my profits are going down, and I lost just on the day $500, but it's still not holding me back. One investment that I want to do after order it unrealized profit and loss is buying in Meta, and we will look at the 5-year period and realize that it is at around 547 USD, and I have an average buying price of 645. It is almost $100 cheaper per stock, but I don't have a lot of it, and I still believe in this company and that social media is in the future the most money, because attention is money. So I don't have to think a lot about it. The biggest portion of my invested money will be Meta, and I will buy 1,100 USD in Meta, which results in a little bit over 2 shares, and this is the beginning of my investments for this month. The result is to have around 5 stocks of Meta. After refreshing, it's still with the unrealized profit of minus 485 USD. That means I don't have a lot of money left. It is just 360 USD. Amazon is already a pretty strong stock which I own, so I will grow my position in Microsoft as well. They dipped even more, and my average buying price is still higher than we have it right now, and I bought it on April while the tariff dip was happening, and you see the all-time high was around 520 USD. I think it will go back around that price range. So since I don't have a lot of money left, I will buy around 300 USD in Microsoft, which is around 0.8 shares of Microsoft. This is still not one of my biggest positions, but it's better to be not involved in Microsoft, so I have a little bit over 4 stocks. And last but not least, my last $70 I will invest in Amazon. If Amazon is as well going down, I can't hold myself if Amazon is at such a sale, and just the future will tell us if it was worth all the time, all the risk, and all the money, which we can profit from that. So I will invest just around $55 in it. It is around 0.26 of a share, and I get even closer to my 19 stocks of Amazon. If I would be able to invest more, you can believe me, I would do it right now. But this is the life that we have. We have just our salary and can use it month by month. And it doesn't matter if you are sick, on vacation, or working pretty hard. You will get at the end of the month the same salary and have to live with that. You have all the expenses, your rent, your car, your insurance, and all the other stuff. Sometimes you need even food or drinks to survive. And this is as well just money which will be spent. But let me tell you one thing, pay yourself first. Even before I paid my rent and other stuff, I invested my money into my broker, into stocks and ETFs. And after that, whatever will happen anyway. But I know I invested already and compound my money. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.